The Worx Nitro 20V 8-inch cordless pole chainsaw is a game-changer for anyone needing to tackle those hard-to-reach branches without the hassle of a traditional chainsaw. With a power output of 2.7 horsepower and a chain speed of 16 feet per second, this tool combines efficiency and effectiveness in a compact design. Weighing only 8.8 pounds, it offers a lightweight solution for extended use, making it easy to maneuver and handle, even for longer periods. One of the standout features of this pole saw is its impressive reach of up to 13.3 feet, thanks to the telescoping pole that can be adjusted tool-free. This means you can cut high branches without needing a ladder, which greatly enhances safety and convenience. The adjustable head with 3 cutting angles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, and 30 degree, allows for versatile cutting options, whether you're trimming back overgrown trees or clearing away branches from your yard. The Worx Nitro also includes an easy chain tension adjustment feature with just the turn of a button, ensuring that you can maintain optimal performance without the fuss of complicated setups. Additionally, the ability to rotate the handle for vertical and horizontal cutting provides flexibility in your cutting techniques, allowing for more precise cuts in various positions. While the model includes a 2.0 battery and charger, it's worth noting that there are options available without them, catering to users who already have Worx batteries. The 4.1-star rating from over 700 users speaks volumes about the reliability and performance of this tool, even if it cannot be shipped to every location. In conclusion, if you're looking for a powerful yet lightweight solution for your yard work, the Worx Nitro 20V 8-inch cordless pole chainsaw is an excellent investment. It combines advanced features with user-friendly design, making it a must-have for anyone serious about maintaining their outdoor space.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.